What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out an exhaust system for the GR Corolla. Today, we're diving into the MBRP Cat-Back Exhaust System for the GR Corolla. This exhaust is a game changer that's going to transform your driving experience by letting that lively turbocharged 3-cylinder roar to life. Let's break down why this exhaust is a must-have for your GR Corolla. First off, it's crafted using T304 stainless steel. That means it's built to last, resisting corrosion and protecting you against the elements. The mandrel-bent tubing is another must-have feature for any performance exhaust system, and of course this system has it. This ensures optimal exhaust flow, giving you that extra bump in sound and performance that you crave. This system delivers a street profile tone perfect for the daily driver. But when you hit the gas, everything changes. The enhanced sound is aggressive and throaty, adding an extra layer of excitement to every drive. Now let's talk about style. Love it or hate it, the GR Corolla has a controversial 3-tip exhaust system. And if you're not too fond of that look, then the MBRP system should be on your radar. MBRP offers both a dual split configuration that utilizes the outside exhaust tip cutouts and also a center exit design that does just that. So by going against the OEM design with these configurations, you may be wondering about having big gaping holes where these tips normally would be. Well, MBRP thought of that, and they include these cutout inserts to clean up the rear valence for a smooth, clean look. With the center exit, you get 2 of these covers for the outside cutouts, but with the dual split exhaust, you get the single cover for the middle cutout. With each configuration, you also get your choice of carbon fiber tips, like you see here, or burnt blue tips for the ultimate tuner look. Worried about installation? The good news is, MBRP exhaust systems are known for their straightforward installation process. With the use of basic tools, you'll be enjoying that new exhaust sound in no time. To sum it up, the MBRP Cat-Back exhaust for the GR Corolla delivers on performance, sounds, style, and durability. If you're looking to elevate your driving experience in the GR Corolla, then this exhaust is a no-brainer. Now let's get in the shop and show you how it's installed, and most importantly, hear how it sounds. First, disconnect the exhaust valve electrical connection. Next, disconnect the flange located behind the cross brace using a 14mm socket. You will retain the factory hardware for reassembly. Now you can remove the exhaust from the 4 hangers, 1 located at the mid-pipe and 3 located at each tailpipe. Remove the exhaust valve from the stock exhaust using a 10mm socket and transfer it over to the MBRP exhaust. Reuse the factory hardware and the supplied M6 flange nut to reattach the valve to the MBRP. You can now attach the MBRP front pipe to the middle hanger and flange, reusing the 14mm bolts you removed earlier. Using the provided clamp, attach the Y pipe to the mid pipe. Transfer the remaining exhaust hangers over to the MBRP exhaust. Now connect both muffler sections to the Y pipe using the provided clamps and reattach the rear hangers. Using a 15mm socket, tighten the clamp connecting the front pipe to the Y pipe. Again, using a 15mm socket, tighten the other 2 clamps but leave loose for adjustments. Slide the exhaust tips on the tailpipes and align them to your liking. Once aligned, tighten the exhaust tip clamps using a 14mm socket. reconnect the exhaust valve electrical connector. Using a 12mm socket, remove the center hanger mount and attach the valence cover using the factory bolts. All right guys, there you have it. We just wrapped up the install of the MBRP exhaust here on this GR Corolla, and it sounds awesome. We want to hear from you guys. What would you prefer? Do you like the dual split rear exhaust, or do you like the center exit? Also, be sure to like this video if you want to see more GR Corolla content, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any of the action. Also, if you want to pick up an MBRP exhaust for your GR Corolla, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. Thanks for watching.